Dear friends, a quiet and blessed Easter to everyone around the world, in spite of the catastrophe that surrounds us. As we fight COVID-19 outbreak that has endangered human life and disrupted global economy, we draw inspiration from the life of Jesus Christ, His agony on the cross, and the power of His resurrection, which is our living hope. This crisis has brought nations together, irrespective of race, creed, and class, to unite in breaking the transmission chain by doing our part. We acknowledge the contributions made by all, especially the frontliners who have rendered selfless service for humanity. On this day, I, along with the people of Meghalaya, would like to call upon everyone to stand with us as Meghalaya prays and intercede for our nation and the world with hymns of prayer.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found, was blind, but now I see.
Through many dangerous toils and snares, we have already come. 'Twas grace that brought us safe thus far, and grace will lead us home.
May the words of these songs resonate in our hearts and fill us with the strength and hope to face the days ahead. Let us rise and rebuild a world where safety prevails. Once again, wishing you a blessed Easter. God bless. Namaskar, Kublai, Mathela, and thank you.